Welcome to the VoiceWare by Phone Suite Grandstream phone training video series. In this video, we're going to look at a little bit more of the advanced features of the Grandstream phone. The first feature we're going to look at is calling into voicemail. To call into voicemail, simply press the letter key here. This will immediately connect you to the voicemail system, and you'll be prompted further. Once you're finished with the call, simply press End Call. You can also pick up the handset and then press the voicemail key to be connected to voicemail. The second feature we're going to look at is conferencing. For example, let's say we have a caller who we're currently speaking with, and we would like to conference in another caller so that all three parties may speak to each other. To begin this type of operation, you press the conference button here. This works similar to transfers, so you're able to dial the other extension that you'd like to join into the conference, then press dial. Once that person answers, you can speak with them and make sure that they want to join the conference. Once you're okay with that, press conference call. Once you press conference, you'll notice that all three parties are now able to speak. Once you're finished, any individual party can hang up, or if you hang up, that will end the conference for all three people. The next feature we're going to look at is Do Not Disturb. To place your phone on Do Not Disturb, while the phone is in idle state, press the mute button. Pressing the mute button here will place the phone in Do Not Disturb, as indicated by a small icon next to the time. While the phone is in Do Not Disturb, no user is able to call this device and have it ring. Any person calling your phone will simply be transferred immediately to voicemail. You will still be able to make outbound calls using the phone. To take the phone out of Do Not Disturb, simply press the mute button again, and you'll notice that the phone is now no longer in Do Not Disturb mode. The next feature we're going to look at is Always On Forwarding. To turn on Always On Forwarding, simply press the Forward All key. Next, you're able to enter the extension number you want all your calls transferred to. So we'll press Forward All, and in this case we'll send them to extension 313. Press OK. And now you'll see a small icon next to the time showing that your phone is in forward mode. Any person dialing your phone now will be sent automatically to extension 313 or whatever extension you entered. To cancel forward always mode, press Cancel Forward. It confirms that the status has been canceled, and it'll time out, or you can press End Call, and you'll notice that the icon next to the time has disappeared. The last feature we're going to look at is call parking. Call parking is a unique feature that allows you to place a caller into a virtual hold and allows you to pick up that caller again from any phone on the system. To demonstrate, we will receive and answer a call from Emma Frost. And we realize in talking with Emma that we'd like to continue this conversation from a different phone. So, to place Emma in parking, we're going to transfer her to extension 9000. Emma is now in a parking spot, normally 9001. We can then go to any other phone on the system and dial 9001 and pick up the phone. We will then be reconnected with Emma. If the call is not retrieved from another location, the call will ring back to the phone that originally placed them in parking after 45 seconds. Lastly, please note that extension 9000 and the parking spots 9001 through 9005 are defaults, but may have been changed based on your installation. Please test, and if it's a different extension or doesn't work, contact your installer or reseller for more information on what extension you would use for parking. Once you're finished, simply hang up the call as normal. This concludes the third video in our Grandstream training set. You should now know how to use some of the more advanced features of the phone, including voicemail retrieval, call parking, three-way calling, do not disturb, and always on forwarding. Thank you for watching.